What are joins? So this you are joining two tables. Suppose if you want an output where you want to join two tables based on some field, then you are using joins. Okay. So what are the types of joins? First you have a simple join. Okay. First you have a simple join. Then you have an inner join, right? And you can see that you have something like outer. So if you know a little bit of SQL, it might be easier for you to understand. For others, this might be a new topic. Okay. So inside outer join, again you have something like left outer join, right? And you have something like inside this right outer join. Okay. And third one, you have something like full join. Okay. You have something like full join. So this is there. Okay, please remember these types. So inside the joins, you have something like simple join, inner join, outer join, left outer join, right outer join, and full join. Right. So let us see the definition of joins. Okay, we can just move over here. Okay. Inside your SQLs, join. So open one of the image which is having good clarity. Okay, is it visible there?
Yes, sir.
Visible? Okay. Let me just increase. Okay. So here you can see these are your joins in your SQL. Okay. So when you are not joining anything, you don't have any common field. So like this A is one table, B is another table. Okay. When you are joining something, two tables when you are joining, at that time you will not have means if you are not joining anything, you will not have any common fields. You will just show the two tables, right? And if you are doing something like this right join, so you can see over here, this is the right join and this is the left join. So all the variables in the all the common variables anyhow it will be shown, and all the variables in the right side of the table, whatever you have given in the right side. So table B, it will be shown all the variations. Okay, full join means it will show you all the null values if they are there in A and B, both of it will be shown left join. So like this, you can find out there are multiple images, and you can find out what is join and all those things. We will discuss about these tomorrow also, just in case you don't understand. So it is like for new people who are not new to this SQL statements, for them it will be little tough, but still you can ask. So this is very important topic, guys. This joins. So you can you can see that there is inside your joins in just your TB2. You have this simple join, you have inner join, you have outer join, and inside outer join again you have three parts, which is left outer join, right outer join, and the full join. Okay. So these are your joins. So how you are joining and what you are doing, let us see practically. Yes. So now I have created a table, okay, just to explain some join concept. So I have created a table, okay. So I have taken one college called as APA, AWPA, okay. So this has nothing but a USN, university seat number, okay. This is the primary key and the name and the department. And again, we are creating a unique index. Then we are creating another college is there. Its name is Godutai. Okay. Again, here we have the USN name and the department. So now foreign key USN. Okay. This USN references the upper US. Right. So I think this is the parent table and child table. This you are aware of. You are aware of these functions. Right. You are creating a unique key again to the Godutai. Again, I have inserted into upper these values up to 6 values, and you can see the keys are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 keys, and I have given some name and I have given some department names such as CSE, IT, EEE, ECE, ECE, like that. Okay, and inside the Godu type, you have something like 1 to 5. You don't have the sixth one, which is I have given the sixth one as UNIQ, which is unique. I have given something, so let me give you an yeah. Okay. So this is again you have inside the Godutai college you have Puja, Somnath, Mudita, and Puji. Some okay. So we have some fields over here, and the keys are similar. The USN university seat numbers they are all common. So here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there, right? So let us see just if we do select star from upper, what do you have? Select star from Godukai, what do you have? Right? And yeah, let us see this just that. So did you understand what table we have created?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let us see it visually also. Then under execution. Yeah. So over here, if we do select star from upper, how do you see? The university seat number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and some name we have given. And here are some department numbers. Okay. And you have something like select star from Google. So you can see over here, like we have 5 names. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5 names. And some department number we have given. So ECE, CSE, IT, EEE, and ECE again. So 2 ECEs, 1 CSE, 1 IT, and 1 EEE. So those are there. Okay. If you go down, okay, up. So union I right. So we have these two tables. I think you have understood two tables. So let me just comment few of the things which I have prepared for them. Right. So we have something from Appa and Godutai. What if we want to see both the tables from Appa and Godutai in the similar way, in a single table? So what can we do? Suppose select star from Appa, Godutai. Right? These are two colleges. So, will this work? Select star from upper comma go to 5. Will this work? Anyone has any idea? Let me submit it and see. Okay. This is the no join. This is your no join. You are joining based on nothing. Okay. This is your upper college. You can see over here 6 members are there. And this is your Godu type. You can see over here you have 5, right? And this is where you are finding this select star from upper and go to type. So you can see over here, you can see same things repeated, but it is showing you all of the stuff. Okay, so you can see unique. So it is showing you 6 fields over here. right? And let me do F11, okay, F10. Yeah. So you can see over here, the right side, it is showing you this all you have the name as all the girls' name we have given for the both side. And here you have all the boys' name, right? So it is repeating. Why it is repeating? So it is ordering according to this one. You can see all the EC. It is doing some duplicates. It is doing no problem. But you can see that it is showing you both the tables side by side. And over here you can see that it is showing you this unique also. This is number 6. It is showing you something it has done. So let us not, this is all no join. When you are not joining anything and you are taking two tables, it will give you some random results. Random, not random, but it will show you everything, and it might show already whatever is there in the duplicates we have seen. It might show like some duplicates. It will create and it will show. Okay, so that is the case. Now we will comment this. Now we will see about the inner join. So first we are going to see about the inner. So how will you write your inner join? Is select star from upper, comma Godutai, where you are using some um, common fields between the two. Okay, so you have your university seat number USN, okay, which is belongs to APA also, and you have the university seat number which also belongs to the Bodu type. So using this, let us see, right? So we are using this join. This is a simple join. You are using the university seat number of both APA and Bodu. So let us execute this and see, right? Under execution. Yeah. Okay. So this is your upper where 6 unique is there, and here 5 values is there for both side, right? And we have given something like select star from upper and Godu side, where the university seat number is equal to Godu side and US. So what do you see over here? You have an upper. So all the male names, Santa, Barapatel, Nikhil, Ashok, Akshay, and Vinod. So number 6, which is the unique, it is not displayed over here. Okay. Did you identify that? It is not displayed over. And the USN you have for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is with girls name. So all the keys which are common to both of them, you are getting it displayed in case of your inner join, right? So how you are writing your inner join? You are writing by giving the two tables. So let us discuss about this one. This is the simple join. Yeah, someone was asking. Okay. So select star from the table 1. So we have given like A, okay, and B, where this USN from the table 1 is equal to the this USN. So not only USN, you can choose anything, any common variable like a department number. If they are common, you can use that. You can use anything, right? So this is how we are done. So someone was asking, please ask. No, your voice is not audible. Can you please? If your mic is not working or internet connectivity issue is there, please write the question in the comment box so that I can see. Your voice is not. Maybe from morning to evening class, you are using all of the JP
Hello,
that are
sir.
Is my voice audible? My internet is you have a problem. My voice is audible, right?
No, your voice is very clear.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Is there a problem? Yeah, please write the question in the comments and I will be happy to answer. And I think someone disturbance. I think Shravani, I think I'm getting disturbance from your side. You can mute. If you have any question, you can. Okay, I will only mute her. So if she has questions, she will type. Right. So this is about your simple join. So everyone understood what is this simple join? You are joining two tables. Okay. If you have two separate tables and you want to join it by using some common field, at that time you are giving it like this. Okay. Is it clear there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Now let us see another stuff. So you can see over here what is doing. What is it? It is doing. It is not showing you the things which are unique. Okay, only the common fields between the both the tables will be shown. Right. Here let me write only common fields in both tables are shown. Right. Only the common fields will be shown. Now let us see about this one, the inner join. Yeah. Now let us see our inner join. So how do we give an inner join and what does it execute? So, yes. So this is your simple join. So how will you write your inner join? So you will write your inner. Select star from one table, a table A. You will use the keyword as inner join and you will give the table B. Then you will use the on clause. Okay, on you will use again on which fields you want it to be associated. So on the Appa USN and the Kodutai USN, so both the university seat numbers, so whoever is common, again you are doing some inner join, right? So let us see that and we can compare both of them. Okay, simple join and inner. We can see. This will take part. Yes. So we have Kodutai and you can see this we have already seen, right? This is the simple join how you will write and it is showing you 5 and this is the inner join, right? It is also showing you only the 5 statements, right? Over here, okay, and if you do like F11 also, you can see department, EC, CSE, IT, and you see all those things it is given, and it is given here also the department number. Okay, you can see no difference, right? There is no difference in the output, right? You can see in this simple join also, same thing, right? Puja and five Vinod and all those things. And over here also, starting with 1 to 5, all these 1 to 5, it is showing you. Both the tables, it is showing you, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is how you will write. So let us see another stuff. So people like your normal SQL, if you have learned, you might have heard about this normal join. So all those things are not over here. You have only these views. So let me check another stuff. So let me write. Yeah. So over here, when you are giving your inner join, at that time you have to give it like this, where you have to use this on command. So from one table to another table, in between you will write what kind of join you are using. So you are using an inner join. So what it will do, it will only show you the common fields, right? So this is very important. So let me just write over here the statement, whatever we have. Right? So we will see the next one. Let me comment these fields. Yeah. So again, now we will see about the full join. So you can see over here, we have in the outer join, we have something like full join. So now let us see about the full join. So inside the outer join, we will see the first, the full join. So what does this full join? Okay. Mm, so we will give something like full join. Okay. Again, select star from a table and middle you will use something called as full join and then a table B. Okay. You will use the on clause and you will give in which way you are associating both the tables. So you are using this university seat number of Appa and university seat number of the Kodu. So both the fields should have the common. Okay. It will show you only the common fields. So let us see. This is the full join, right? So we see, and let me just uncomment this also, the inner join and full join, then you will understand the difference, right? So what is the difference between inner join and full join? So let me submit, right? So you have over here the inner join, right? So inner join we have already seen that these five values which are common it is showing. So is it showing the sixth column which is like unique we have given inside the APA? So this is APA and all the male candidate names are there. It is not showing the sixth column. Whereas this is your full join, whatever we have given. And you can see over here, the sixth column also it is showing and associated value, it is showing it as nulls, right? So what it is doing, so we can see, I think I have over here. Yeah. So we can see that if you can see this, you have something like full join. So what will it show? The non-common things from the A part will also be shown. The common fields will also be shown, as well as the non-common part, non-unique part in both of the fields. Inside that B also it will be shown. So it will show you everything inside the table. Okay, even if it is this six is there or not there. See if you can see over here, this six unique. Yes. So if you have both the common fields, then it will show. If you don't have any common field, if you have some extra fields also, it will show you. And associated field, it will show you as nulls, right? So did you understand what is this? So this is a diagrammatic representation of a full join. If you want, I can just increase the size also, right? So this is your diagrammatic representation of a full join. Okay, what it is showing both the uncommon. So see this joint, whatever you have in this circle, this is your common fields. So it is showing you the common fields. It is showing you
Sir,
non-common fields of the A table, non-common fields of the B table also. Yeah,
sir,
someone is asking. Yeah.
sir, what is the difference between this simple and this full join, sir?
What is the difference between a simple join and a full join? Simple join means it is this one, this inner join. Okay, you have only the common fields. Suppose if you have given, let me explain you over here then. So suppose if we have given in a table 1, if you have given something like 1, 2, okay, 3, 4, like this you have given. Whereas inside this you have something like table 2, right? So over here, if you give something like 1, 3, 4, and 6, if you give, then using your inner join, okay, when you use your inner join, at that time it will show you only the common fields, which is 1. What is common? 2 is common? No. 3 and then 4. It will show you only these three, right? Whereas when you have something like full join, so let me just write over here. When you have something like full join, what it will do, it will show you all the fields like 1, 2, 3, and 4, okay, and also the 6. Okay, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6 over here. So it will show you everything, right? So
Sir, in
let me
simple
open
join,
the, yeah, in the simple join,
how it will work, sir? It will show only the common things, or
it will show only the common things. So let me write you in a diagrammatic way. Then I can clearly
so
understand.
the inner joint and simple joint are same, sir.
Yes, inner join and simple joins are same. You can call it.
Okay, sir. Understood, sir.
Okay. So over here we have some fields. Let us say this is your field. Okay. So we have some table over here. Like this is your table 1, and let me write over here. This is your table 2, right? So this is your left table. So you can call it like left, and this is your right side table. And over here, if you give something like 1, 2, 3, and 5, if you have given something like this over here, and you can give over here like 1, then 3, then 5, and 6, if you have given, right? So what will inner join do? So you have something like inner join. What will this inner join do? It will show you the common field. So what is common over here? What the fields are common over here? Yes?
1,
1,
3,
3,
1,
5.
3, and 5.
Yeah. So you can see 1 can be associated with this one. This will show you,
3.
and this 3 will be associated with this one, and 5 will be associated. So when you are giving something like inner join, at that time it will show you something like 1, 3, and 5, and whatever the rows associated with 1, 3, and 5. It will show you in case of inner join. When you are using, so what do you have? Again, you have something like outer join. Inside this outer join, you have something like full outer join. So you have something like full join, right? So in this full join, what all you will get in the table 1, you will get 1, 2, 3, and 5. Okay. So this 1 is already there, 3 is already there, and 5 is already there, and 2 also it will display, as well as 6 also it will display, right? So let us make certain changes in our program only so that it will be much clearer for you, because this is very important interview topic. Okay. So I will give inside this is values of alpha, right? So I will give something like 1, 2, 3, and directly I will give like 5, and let me make it like 7 and 8. No, let me give it like 9. Okay. And over here, let me introduce something like 1, and let me give it like 4 and 3, and 6 and 8. Let me give it like this, right? So we have given over here the inner join and the full join. So now you will understand the difference. And yeah, we will show you the table also, right? It's under execution. Yeah. So now you can see what it is telling. The insert update value of the foreign key is invalid. Which one is this? For sum. Okay. Yeah, that is the reason. Which is invalid, which is this 4. So minus 530 means the insert value of the foreign key of the child table is not associated with the parent table. So in the child table, you need not, or else we have to remove something like the primary key and unique index. Then only, yeah, let me remove them. Let me remove this primary key and create type to this one also. Let me remove. Okay, this is prototype. Again, we will remove this primary key so that, yeah, foreign key constraints. This also we will remove and this also. Okay, and let me close this and give semicolon. Delete it. Yeah, I think now it will work. Okay, drop table. It was not created previously, so I have to come and these. Yeah, now I think I can. Okay. Yeah. So you have something like in APA, PC, in this college APA, you have 1, 2, 3, 5, and 9, right? So you have these names and some departments, right? And again, in the Godutai, you can see you have 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, and 9, right? So in the Godutai, you can see over here, you have 1, 4, 3, 6, and 8. So you don't have 2 and you don't have 3, you don't have 5 and such things, right? When you are doing something like inner join, so inner join, what it is giving, you have 1 and 3 which are the common fields, okay? 1 and 3 both are common. So 1 is what? This one and 3 you have over here, and in Godutai also you have 1, you have 1 and 3, right? So it is showing you only the common fields. So over here, whatever, whoever has the common roll numbers among them, only that it is showing. Do you understand, guys? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
done. So this is how you are writing your inner join. Now let us see this full join. Okay. So you have this full join. So what it will do? This is joining everything. So the one associated field, it is showing you one associated field, you have one here Santya and here you have Puja, right? And two, you do not have anything in the second one. So it is showing you nulls in place of two. And three, it is arranging properly, and three is Tirumal, yeah, it is associating it properly. And four, here you have nulls. So what it is showing? It is showing you the null value of both the left and the right table, right? So when you are giving this, it is showing you the null values of table 1 and table 2 also. So when you are giving your full join, okay, if you want to see it in the this one, so it is showing you everything. So what it is doing in place of 2, it is associating with nulls. So if you have something like over here, let me write, yeah, explaining joins is a painstaking process. I'm trying my best. Yeah. So null if you have. So what it will do, and here also if you have null, okay. So what will it do? And so let me put this one. Okay, this two doesn't have any associated, so it will just show you the null values. And here also this six doesn't have any associated values. It will show you the null values in case of full join. So this is an outer join, right? So this is how you will get your output. So this is about your full join. So is it clear? I think Elia, you have asked, right?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay. So next we will see about another kind of join. Hari has arrived. Who is Hari? Who is Hari? I'm not able to identify who is Hari. I don't think he is from our group. No problem. Let him join. Right. So now we will see this. What can we give full outer join, guys? This complete full outer join. Can we give this? Is this a proper keyword? Yes or no? Please respond, guys.
I think so, no, sir.
Yeah. I think Hari, uh, you have switched on your video. At least you can switch off your video.
Hari is traveling, sir. He is logging
Okay.
in laptop.
Okay. Please check your video. Right. So, please, you can mute. Right. So now let us see our full outer join. Can we give this or not? So anyone who knows joins concept, please stay. Can we give this full outer join completely as a keyword? I think I did not drop it. So yeah. So this is minus 601 object has already been created. So I have to drop it. Let me drop it. I have to uncomment it. Right. So yeah, both the tables I have uncommented it. Now let us see. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 in the upper and 1, 4, 3, 6, 8 in your Godutai college, right? And this is which command? Full outer join. We have given here the full outer join. So this also is giving you the same result. So you can give like full join and full outer join, both the keywords are allowed over here, right? So let me just, yeah, let me just go back. Yes. So this is about your full outer join. So what else is left with us, right? So let me just remove this example. Yeah. So you have full join. You can also give it like full outer join. And let me copy paste some of the codes. Right. Control C so that you, yes. So in this way, you will write your full outer. So now you have something like right outer join. Okay. The here what happens, whatever the fields in the right side of the table, whatever you have given, suppose here right side we have given Godutai, right? So in the right side, uncommon fields will also be shown. So let us see how it is working. So let us see this right outer join and left outer join. Then I think it will be clear for you. Okay, so you have this left outer join, the keyword, and the right outer join. So both of them, if you are seeing, you will see the difference properly. You will understand. Okay. Yes. Now let me submit it. Go back. Okay. So this is from upper star, select star from upper. Again, this is there, this is there, right? And we are seeing select star and left outer join we are seeing. So how will you do your left outer join, right? So upper left outer join to the side and it is showing you whatever the null values in your right side. Yeah. Over the right side. So we have given here left outer join. Okay, it is showing you 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So in the left side, it is showing everything, whatever is there in the left side, even if it is common or not common. So you can see over here, 1 is common, 1 is shown, 3 is common, 3 is shown, and others are replaced by the null values, right? But in the left side of the part, what's left, we have given the table as upper, right? So everything in the left side of the part, it is showing you all the keys. Whereas if you see in the right side, right? So what 1 and 3 are common, and in the right side, it is showing you all the keys. So left outer join and right outer join, I think it is self-evident. You might have heard. So please register it in your brain and ask me any questions if you have any doubts in this one. Yes? Ask. And if you are silent, I think that I will think that you are not
Sir,
understanding.
how
Yes, yes. How? No,
sir,
I
how it
won't
will
mind the
detect the
background
left
noise.
and right
Yes.
side, sir?
How?
How the program knows that Appa is the left one and the Goda is the right?
సో ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ ఏమి ఇచ్చారు మీరు ఇక్కడ అప్ప కదా సో అప్ప లెఫ్ట్
Yes, sir.
తర్వాత లెఫ్ట్ అవుటర్ జాయిన్ తర్వాత ఏమి ఇచ్చారు ఇక్కడ దిస్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద టేబుల్ నేమ్
Goda.
దిస్ ఇస్ గోదుతాయి సో దిస్ ఇస్ యువర్ రైట్ ఇది లెఫ్ట్ ఇది రైట్ ఏ టేబుల్ నేమ్ ముందు ఫస్ట్ మీరు రాస్తారు అది లెఫ్ట్ విచ్ టేబుల్ నేమ్ యూ విల్ రైట్ ఆఫ్టర్ దిస్ కమాండ్ అది రైట్ అంతే
Okay, sir.
నైస్ క్వశ్చన్ వాట్ అబౌట్ అదర్స్ శశిప్రియ పద్మ భూషణ్ లాస్య
Clear, sir. No doubt.
రైట్
Sir, where we are using this concept in real time, give me some example, like real time.
Okay. So suppose if you have like credit cards, okay. So you have applied for some credit cards, okay. You have applied for credit cards, and you are like you have some name, okay, and you are regularly visiting it. What you are regularly visiting, let us say Axis Bank for some credit cards, right? So you have visited yesterday. So this is the table for let us say in the month of let us say June. You have visited in the month of June, and again you have visited in the month of April also. June is one table, okay, and April also. Okay, based on your name, who has visited both in June and April. I want all your details also along with that. In both the fields, whoever is common, I want to see. At that time, which one you will use? You will use inner join, right? You want to see people who have visited for the credit card, people who have applied for the credit card in the month of June and getting rejected, in the month of April and getting rejected. Again, that means they are very much interested. So for them only, we will send some marketing like mails. Okay, I think your loan will be approved or your credit card will be approved and all those things. Some marketing mails will be sent only in the case of some common fields. Suppose in the June month, you know that some people, so some manager is very rude at that time. June month, he has means not qualified. He did not approve so many deserving candidates who wants credit cards. Okay, so many deserving candidates who wants credit cards in the June month. Some rude manager did not approve so many credit cards. Whereas in your April month, some proper, so that manager was fired and a proper manager was put in place. So here you did some approvals. Okay, some approvals who have again applied, they have done some approvals. So at that time, what you will do? You will do left outer join. Okay, left outer join. Right, so what will happen? It will show all the details whoever has applied in the June month, and it will show you whoever has an overlapping, means whoever already applied and there were approval done in your April month. So both will be done. So like that, some real implications will be there.
Okay, sir. Thank
Understood?
you. Yeah, yeah.
Anyone else? Any other things you want to ask? So this is your left outer join, right outer join, and all those things we have seen now. So if you have any doubts, I will give you 2 minutes of time. Please think it, and if you want me to show anything, so this is not simple, guys. Do not think that this is simple. Once an interviewer asks you, at that time you will be blank, and this thing is there. And you might have seen in the other SQL some cross join, normal join, and all those things are there. Presently in this DB2 series, you don't have whatever you have in your pen drive. Maybe it is there if you are working with another. Organization like Oracle database. I think so many people have mentioned Oracle database in your resumes. So there you have another kind of joins also. Okay, so please see to that also. Yes. Okay, come on, speak. Arvind, did you understand?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Okay. Right. So let me just copy paste few of the codes which we have given for left outer join and right outer join. Okay, and the right outer join, I think here instead of that left you can see right. You can do, yes. So this is about your joins, guys. So this is 100% they will ask you about this, and they want you to have very strong knowledge about this one. So tomorrow I would tell anyone to present, and if you have any doubts, now is the time to ask. I think it was self-evident, and I have showed you everything, and I will send you some of the diagrams which will be self-explanatory. So here, like, so what is the common field, not common field? Like